Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy How To video channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you a quick and easy way to remove the background from an image using Canva. Whether you are a content creator, a graphic designer, or want to enhance your photos, this feature will be handy. So without further ado, let's get started. First, head over to canva.com and sign in to your account. If you don't have one, it's free and easy to create. Once logged in, click Create the Design and choose Custom Dimension to match your image size. Now drag and drop your image onto Canva workspace. With our image in place, it's time to remove the background. Click on your image and a toolbar will appear on the top. Choose the effect option and from there select background remover. Canva's background remover tools does most of the work for you, but sometimes it may miss certain areas. Don't worry, we can refine it. Click on the remove background button and you'll see the magic happen. If there's any remaining areas that need adjustment, use the Erase and Restore button to fine-tune the selection. The Erase button removes unwanted areas, while the Restore button brings back part of the original image. Once you are satisfied with the background removal, click on the Download button at the top right corner of the screen. Choose the file format you prefer and don't forget to select Transparent Background to save your image without a background. Now that you have your image with a transparent background, you can use it in various projects. For instance, you can overlay it on other image and add it to presentation, or create stunning graphic for your social media posts. And there you have it. With Canva Background Remover tool, you can effortlessly remove background from images, giving you more creative freedom for your projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on more useful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and see you next time.